We're learning Zili Nishmas Etta Ahuva Bas Yaakov Masechus Kidushin Perek Gimel Mishna Ches Kidashi es Bita Kidashti V'gerashti Kshi Kitana V'eri Kitana Nemen. If someone says I was Mekadesh my daughter, or I was Mekadesh my daughter and I divorced, was Kabbalah Gerushin for her while she was a Kitana and she's still a Kitana now, Neman he's believed. Because the pasuk says as Biti Nasati Leish Hazeh, so then when he says Leish Hazeh he answered her on everyone because we don't know who he was mekadesh her to, and when the pasuk says lezeh, so then he's matter her to that person. So you see, the father is believed when it comes to the Kidushin of his daughter, but that's only while she's a ketana. So if it was kedashti v'gerashti she ketana v'ari gedayla, but if now she's a gedayla when he's saying this, then einem, and then he's not believed. Similarly, if the seifa nishbis upadisa, if he says she was captured and I was paida her, Bein she ketana, bein she gedayla, whether she was a ketana or a gedayla, in Eman, the father is not believed because the Torah only believed her when it came to Nisuin. But when it comes to a shvuya, the father doesn't believe the Torah doesn't give an emanis to the father about his daughter. Misha Amar b'shas misasa yeshli banim neman yeshli achan ein neman. So you have an isha that's not b'cheskas kukali yavam, and then the person says about his wife that Yeshli banim, meaning that she's not skukal yavam. So then he's keeping her in her chazaka. So then it's neman. But if he would say Yeshli acham, that I have brothers, and now he wants to change her status or chazaka from not being zakukal yavam into a situation that she would have to do yibam, ain't a neman. So then he's not believed. The last halacha of the mission is hamakadesh es bita stam. If someone is mekadesh his daughter and he doesn't say which daughter, ein haboiger is bechal. So the ketanas and the nairis are bechal, but the older daughters, even though he could become a shliach to be mekadesh them, we say that a person normally does not become a shliach to be mekadesh his daughter who is a begeris. Mishnah Tes Mishia Shtei Kite Bana, someone who has two sets of daughters, Mishtei Nashim, from two wives. So he has, let's say, 4 daughters altogether. Va'amar Kidashi es Biti Agdel, and he says, I was Mekadesh, my oldest daughter. If any Yedeim Gedolah Shebigdelis, is the older daughter from the older wife, Oy Gedolah Shebigtanis, or is it the older daughter in the younger wife, Oy Ketana Shebigdelis, or perhaps it's the younger daughter of the older wife, who's Gedolah Min HaGedolis Shebigtanich, which is older than the one beneath it. Kulan Asuras, they're all Asur, Chutzman HaKetana Shebektanis. That one's Vadei Mutter, because the Ketana Shebektanis he wouldn't have called the Gedela. Divrei Meir. So Meir Shita is that Mochis Inish Nafshe L'Seika, that a person would say something in a case that it's not so clear what he meant, and his Kavanah was to be Mekadesh that person. So even there's a slight chance that he meant that daughter, even let's say the Getana Shebegedelos, which is Gedela Min HaGedelos, so we say that daughter is Aser. However, Rabbi Yosi Omer, no, Kulam Mutaris, they're all Mutter. The only one that's Aser is the one that's Vadai Aser, because Loi Machas Inish Nafshel L'Sveikus. If he said such a lashon, he obviously only meant the Gedela Shebegedelos. So therefore, Kulam Mutaris Chutz Min HaGedela Shebegedelos. Same exact halacha, just Lahepech, Kidashi es Bita Ketana. Any Yedeim Ketana Shebegetanis, or Ketana Shebegedelos, or Gedela Shebegetanis, Sheketana Meketana Shebegedelos. Did he mean the very smallest one, or the smallest one from the other marriage, or did he mean the smallest one from the older one in the younger marriage, which is still younger than the younger from the other marriage? Kulan asuras all asar chutzman hagedelos shebegedelos. The only one that's vadai mutter in this case is the opposite, is the gedelos shebegedelos, because he for sure didn't mean that one. Divrei Meir, Rabbi Yosi Omer, kulam mutaris, they're all mutter. Chutzman haketana shebegtanis, because that one vadai loy machas inish nafshel esveikus. So if he says ketana, that's very clear that he's referring to the ketana shebegtanis.